Ransomware attacks are on the rise. Damage estimates exceeded $20 billion globally last year alone, as incidents increased 148% over the year prior. Healthcare, finance, retail, manufacturing, no industry is safe from this threat. When ransomware infiltrates your systems, the impacts reverberate through your entire organization. Business operations grind to a halt. Employees sit idle without access to critical systems or data. Customers can't reach you to place orders. Partners question whether they can rely on you. Even if you regain access by paying the ransom, costs have already compounded. There are bounce-back activities, overtime wages, reputational damage, and lost opportunities during downtime. Not to mention the ethical implications of funding criminal enterprises. Enough is enough. Be proactive and harden your security posture against ransomware and emerging cyber threats. Microsoft offers integrated platforms to lock down endpoints, secure access, monitor threats, and facilitate rapid response and recovery. With round-the-clock monitoring, controls, and redundancy across systems and data built into our platforms, your attack surface shrinks. Attempted infections are blocked automatically before they even happen. Even if a breach occurs, you can roll back instantly with airtight backups. Don't gamble with your operations and reputation. Contact Joe Raffanelli at Microsoft today to implement robust ransomware defenses. With us as your partner, your business stays productive, trusted, and resilient no matter the threat landscape. Thank you.